This multi-sensor scanning project shown here in Leica TruView highlights three different technologies that were utilized on the job. At the largest scale, you see the color exterior data that was captured with an airborne drone. Then you also see the grayscale exterior data that was captured with a terrestrial or tripod laser scanner. And then as we move into the house, you see the high-density full color detail that was captured utilizing a Dot3D handheld scanning kit. In this case, the kit included an Intel RealSense depth camera D455. As we move back outside the house, you see the high accuracy registration between the indoor and the outdoor data. This was done utilizing April tags from Dot3D. And you can again take a look at all the scan setups from the terrestrial scanner in the red dots and the airborne data covering an even larger area shown in full color to highlight the difference between the two. As we crop down, we can take another quick look back at the Dot3D data of the interior, which gives us excellent full color detail and was captured extremely easily even in these tighter spaces.